95%.
I'm wrecking
I'm
it
supposed,
with
but
ice
I'm supposed
cubes.
to go to work tomorrow.
That's okay.
Oh, look how pretty.
I keep mine in my freezer
I
so I
put
can
it
drink
in
it straight.
Oh yeah, that's the way to do it. You don't, yeah, absolutely. Yeah, keep it in there.
Freezing cold, but it won't freeze.
Right.
Did you see Kathy and Jim's kids?
It's still for
I
it.
know. This
See?
Well, I mean, her daughter is so pretty, and this is her son, look, her niece. I mean, her
Bottle of whiskey in there,
granddaughter.
and normally a bottle of well, around the holidays, Jägermeister's always good too. Frozen.
Possibly.
Bourbon and one
There it is. There's
They're gorgeous kids.
more food in here than I know what to do.
Gorgeous.
This is the old
Gorgeous,
name.
gorgeous. I know, I was looking at it.
This-
Don't spill it, okay?
Is that a solid?
This is the Henshin experiment.
Oh no. Oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, I can survive that.
Oh, you
dude.
could?
That wasn't too bad.
That's not bad. No, no,
It
no.
might not be as fluffy.
Did you
as
burn
yours.
it or
Oh, I
something?
didn't realize he sent one
You
too.
got some.
There was
Uh-huh.
quite a
I
few that
didn't
weren't
realize
cooked.
that.
Sent one too.
Is that
There was
the
quite a
funny
few
one?
that
Is
weren't
that the-
cooked.
Why is it like 3 layers?
No, don't dirty your dish.
No, I want to
No.
eat some
Oh
tonight,
my
dude.
God.
This is my
Oh,
dessert.
yeah, that is so cute.
This is my dessert.
Here,
The son is
here.
very handsome also.
Grab a chunk.
No, no, no. I need a spoon, dude. I don't do that, dude. I need a spoon.
That's looking.
Can revive.
Why is that? Why is it?
Revive your oatmeal.
Oh, dude.
Oh no.
Like concrete.
Oh.
Oh,
No, it ain't.
oh, I know.
It's not hard.
Yeah, right.
It's wiggly.
Dude, this is
No, they
not
won't have
wiggly,
these things.
dude.
In 10 years, it'll be like all digital.
Oh, dude.
This
Is she
is
still here?
concrete.
I had it this
Martha?
morning. Are you
Is
taking pictures, Ryan?
your daughter still here?
No, oh no.
This is
She took
concrete.
off,
What did she do?
Hey, dude, look at it, dude.
You ready to take it off?
what she did.
Yeah, pretty much.
First, what's it?
Look,
That looks
That she
really
left after
it's pretty
Christmas?
good. There's not too
Oh, yeah,
many
yeah,
in
yeah.
there that aren't
She
good.
left.
You can just see how
Not
fluffy.
very
Was she
few.
going back to work
Looks
already?
good.
No, no, she's not going back to work, but she had to get back in
But you
July.
see, you hold the exact water.
Oh, got
Yeah.
it, got it.
Yeah, San Antonio is not rural life.
Every 2/3.
Here it's nothing but
It's not.
sweet, stay in your
This is the
pajamas all day.
Well,